Hello everyone and welcome to Great Lakes Boats and Brokerage. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2001 Regal 2760 Commodore. Boat's currently located at East 55th. Length overall is 31 feet 0 inches with a beam of 9 foot 11 inches. Up at the helm we'll have a Garmin GPS and plotter, VHF radio, and the boat has twin 4.3 liter Mercruiser engines in it. VIP seating, which is a lounge seat. This boat has cockpit refrigerator, and it also has your aft foldable aft seating. Going down in the cabin, you'll have 2 full staterooms, 1 head, and an L-shaped seating as well. Looking down at the galley, you'll have a single burner electric range, sink with hot and cold pressured water, microwave, storage space. Looking forward, you'll have TV, air conditioning, refrigerator. That's going to be your master berth. Your lounge seating is on the port side, and in the back you'll have your mid-aft cabin, CD player with 6-disc changer, and over on the starboard side you'll have a full head with sink, shower, manual flush head, and vanity mirror. Thank you for viewing the 2001 Regal 2760 here with Great Lakes Boats and Brokerage.